Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you are at Barb Beauty and you are at day 4 of my 31 days of Halloween makeup tutorials. For this video I am doing the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. This is a series I'm doing all of October where I do makeup focused costumes and you don't have to spend a lot of money on the costume or accessories. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you subscribe and follow all my social media down below. And I will get to wardrobe and accessories for this look at the end of the video, so stay and watch that. And let's just hop right into the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. So I am officially done with the makeup portion of the White Rabbit, and I love it. I think it's so cute, and I love how glam I made it. Moving on to wardrobe and accessories for this character. I am just wearing this white stretchy tube top thing. You can pretty much wear any shirt you want. You can wear a white one, a red one, a black one. I just wanted to go for the white because he is the White Rabbit. Moving on to my first accessory. It kind of has a background story. So I wanted to get this video filmed, but I didn't have any bunny ears, and I didn't really have any time to go to the store and buy some bunny ears. So I DIY'd them, and they look like this, and I think they're so cute. So all I did was took this black headband and took pipe cleaners in red and white, obviously. You can do red and pink or white and pink. And you can see here, I just kind of loop them around. So that was my first accessory. I do have two more. The next one is a red bow tie. He has a red bow tie on the whole movie. That's part of his costume as his character. So this is the look with the bow, and I am obsessed with it. I feel like if you kind of do the White Rabbit like this, it's kind of like that Playboy bunny vibes. This last accessory I think is going to be like my favorite, but I think it's so funny. It's these giant glasses that I actually already had, but my light is going to affect them because he always has his little glasses on. And I think it's so cute. So this is the final look. This is the makeup portion, and this is all the accessories and outfits that I think pair well with him. And everything was so cheap. I had the white shirt. The bow was around $6. I got it at Spencer's. And I DIY'd these with stuff, little craft stuff I already had in my house. And these I got off Amazon for around $12. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stick around for the rest of the month, like I say in every single video. And all my social media will be down below. I hope you give me a follow and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.